how to increase text size on Snapchat. So in Snapchat, there is no such inbuilt feature that will allow you to increase the text size in the application itself. So what you would have to do is, you would have to go to your phone's settings. So let's launch settings on our mobile devices. Now, once you come to settings, go ahead and tap on display. From here, scroll down below and you'll see the option of font size and style. Tap on it. From here, you can simply swipe this slider, which is the circle button, to your desired text size. Once you do so, you will successfully be able to increase the text or font size by default on your mobile device, which in turn will also increase the font size on your Snapchat application. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.